Craving financial freedom? Evergreen Income is your ticket to it because it is a continual cash flow, independent of your active participation. It is like a tree bearing fruits all year round. And it makes your money work for you, not the other way round. Start with investments like dividend stocks, real estate, or even a blog or YouTube channel that churns out ad revenue and affiliate income. Being a beginner isn't a setback. Every financial guru started somewhere. Remember, the journey is a marathon, not a sprint. So focus on sustainability, scalability, and diversification to reduce risk. While Evergreen Income demands less effort than active businesses, it requires maintenance and occasional updates for relevance and profitability. Establishing these income streams initially might demand time and effort, but what valuable thing doesn't? Don't let this keep you from planting your evergreen income tree. Here's a thought. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now. Subscribe for more financial freedom tips. Thanks for watching.